When assembling the shock-corded frame, it's important to ensure all poles are properly and completely inserted into all corresponding hub and socket locations. To start, fully insert each leg into its corresponding socket at each end of the crossbar. If the markings on the leg poles are still visible, they need additional rotation or pressure until the pole is completely inserted and the markings are hidden. Once all 4 legs are in place, set the base on level ground and insert each of the upright poles into their corresponding hubs. The uprights feature a D-shaped profile to ensure that they're inserted properly and securely and should bow outward when assembled. Next, unfold the seat and locate the 2 metal clips that connect the seat straps to the frame. Hold one in each hand, with the side marked top facing up. Pinch together the sides of the triangular clip and fit the openings over the upright pole ends so the clip is flush with the top of the pole. When you let go, the clips should stay locked onto the poles. If needed, adjust the padded headrest by detaching it from the hook and loop fastener and move it higher or lower, pressing securely to keep it in place. To safely sit in Stargaze, hold onto the handles on either side of the seat before carefully lowering yourself into a sitting position. While Stargaze is designed with feet to keep you stable on all types of surfaces, grass, sand, dirt, etc., we recommend using Stargaze only on level ground for your own safety. To recline, simply lean back, applying pressure to the backrest. The seat straps will automatically adjust to support the angle of your lean, returning to upright when pressure is removed. For easy pack-up, simply remove seat, fold in half, and return to the carrying case. Next, disassemble the poles from the hubs, bundle neatly, and nest on top of the seat within the case before zipping closed.